Alright guys, so this is a very good opportunity right now on gold, and I'm about to strike into the market because I'm not gonna let this opportunity down, man. Everything I needed to check about this opportunity is actually okay, and this is time for me to enter. So I didn't even get to see this entry on time, and now that I'm seeing it, I'm going to enter and I'm going to give out a trade with the VIP signal members. So later we get to explain this for you guys so you guys can get to understand what happened and the reason why I get to enter at this point, man. So let me place my trade right now. Let me take like 4 or 5 positions, okay? Then this is gonna be a take profit in the market. This place in the market, this is gonna be a take profit. That's about 127, man, and this is gonna be our stop loss in the market, which is this place. Okay, for the 6 to make 127, that's about 1 to 3 or 1 to 2 point something risk to reward ratio, man. So let's place our stop loss in the market. And also I want to get to give out the signals to my VIP members so I can get access also to the market, man. Alright, so let me drop it now. Alright, so let's check how many positions that was taking the market already, which is about, alright, we have about 1 2 3 4 5 positions in the market. That is 127.5 is more than 500 to 600 in the market if I thought this trade goes well with us. And if we get to lose money, we're going to lose little amount of money, just like the way I used to trade all the time, man. So that's it for now, and let me give out the signal to my VIP members also. Very, very important. So I'm giving it out right now. Let me get to greet my people, man. Good morning, guys. Alright guys, I'll drop the signal to my VIP members right now, and let's get back to the chart, man. I will get to explain this later for you guys because I have somewhere that I want to go right now, and I'm gonna place my stop loss on other trades too. Whatever gets to happen, I will get to inform everyone, guys. See you guys later. So alright guys, the reason why I took this trade right now is because I saw something on gold right now, which is on my daily time frame. The market is still rising towards the upside, and this is not the place where the market is trying to draw towards the downside again, because there's some kind of confirmation on the lower time frame telling us that this market is still going to push towards the upside. So the high chance of we getting more buys in the market, and that's the reason why I had to take this trade. And on our daily time frame, this is what the market is looking like, and on the lower time frames like the H4 time frame, this is what's in the market. The market is trying to push towards the upside again. If at all I want to place my stop loss at a place whereby it doesn't get to it, then I'll just get to use this place as my stop loss in the market, because around this place is a pin bar, and pin bar candles are very strong candles in the market. But due to confirmations on the lower time frame, the market is never expected to come around this pin bar again. So that's the reason why I had to place my stop loss around the other side, guys. Now on our H1 time frame, the market is still rising towards the upside, and there are high chances of we getting this move that I'm seeing right now, which is one of the reasons why I had to take this trade without even getting to analyze it for you guys. But I've done the analysis by myself before I got to enter. I didn't just wake up and enter the trade like that. So let's see what's gonna happen, man. If I want to place my stop loss in such a place that it doesn't get to hit stop loss very fast, then I could have just used somewhere like this place. But I just want to be very realistic with myself and get to see what the market has to do, man. Because if I thought the market gets to smash that stop loss around the other place, then this trade is not going to actually go where the way I'm planning it, man. But right now I've entered the trade already, and this is a very, very realistic take profit in the market. And if I thought we get to smash TP, we get to smash 120 something dollar in the market, and if we get to hit our stop loss, we get to lose about $50 in the market, man. So whatever gets to happen, so be it, guys. Alright guys, so I'm just going back to the chart now, and this is what I got to see, man. Our take profit got smashed, but I don't think we were still in the market when this happened. And this is the line that I used in entering this market, so I think the market went against us, got to hit our stop loss before the move started again. So we made loss in the market, and it's crazy, man. But that's it, man. That's what happened. We have to be very transparent with you all so you can get to know what we are doing in the market, and get to know that we are not here to lie to you or get to make you feel like we don't lose in the market, man. Our stop loss was very, very tight, and we got to lose money this time around, but it is what it is, man. I'm just going back home right now, and I'm getting to see this, man. So this is how much we lost in the market. We lost $232 in the market, man. And if I thought we made this money in the market, we could have made about 700 to $600 in the market, man. So bro, it's super crazy that we got to lose in this market, and it is what it is, man. If I was active on the chart, maybe I could have get another entry in the market and still get to profit from that, man. But I wasn't active in the market and we got to lose this. But it has happened, guys. So let's get to see what will happen in our next trade. Let's go see if we're gonna make profit, or if I thought we're gonna get to lose on that also, man. But this is super crazy, man. Like, the market just came back and got to break this place. Just a little spike towards the downside, just a little push towards the downside, and from there we got to lose money in the market, man. It's crazy. It's crazy, guys. But let's see what's gonna happen in the market. Let's see if we're gonna make money in our next trade, man. Let's see.